There's so many great open source tools out there. The problem is running them yourself can be quite the pain. Installing, configuring, keeping them alive. That's what Open Source Cloud fixes. We gather the best open source projects and make them more or less a one-click to spin up. There's two ways in. The first is that you browse through the catalog. First, you find an open source project that you find interesting. And then my recommendation is letting the AI set it up for you. But you could always deploy it manually if you want a little bit more control. And the great part, since it was so easy to spin up, you could always delete it and try another one until you find something that you like. But listen up, I will show you an even better way of using Open Source Cloud. And that's by connecting it to your AI. Either Claude or ChatGPT with Codex. Basically anything you can do in your site, you can do in your AI. You just ask it to set up things for you. So you don't have to worry about knowing all these technical fancy terms. So what do you do with all these open source services? For some of you, they might fit perfectly inside your existing pipelines. But I want to show you how you can put them right in your own app. And that's where my apps come in. Together with your AI, you can bring over the app you already have or start a new one. Then add the pieces you need. Need analytics, email, chat, storage, video processing, anything you can think of. They're available for picking to plug in straight into your app. Maybe you just need a tool, or maybe you're building something bigger. Either way, the pieces are right there, so start building.